Nailed it. The crossing of the Mississippi in just a matter of moments. Catch you down the road. Everybody, it's Kelly Cat, the Way We Go 2.0. Today's maintenance day here at Del Boca Vista Phase 3. Just kidding, it's a Seinfeld reference. I think we're officially snowbirds. But anyway, so today's maintenance day on the Airstream. And what we're doing is going behind the scenes, so to speak. Going behind the plastic plexiglass shield there. Where did it go? Where's my hand? Behind the plexiglass shield there. And they're also going behind the steel shield that guards the aluminum on the trailer from road debris and things like that. So, two reasons you were going to want to do this. One is because behind the, and I didn't do it in real time, but behind the plexiglass shield there, in our case, for example, we've come from different environments and different times of the season, so we've got a bunch of debris that collected behind the shield there. So when I opened up the plexiglass shield, sticks, limbs, pine needles, and other debris fell from it. And so now, that's just something you want to keep up on. I would say at least monthly for sure, because of the, again, the sticks and debris and twigs, especially things like that. But also keep your window clean. And let's go ahead and turn it around here a little bit and see what we got. You want to keep your window clean, and also down in these seals here. Actually, you can see a little debris that is left here, some pine straw. When I first started, there were leaves and things like that. So what I'm going to do is get like a little paintbrush and kind of dig down in there and get that stuff out. Seeds and everything. Plus, the seal here. Now, this is not an airtight seal, and you really don't want it to be because you don't want fungus and other kind of crap growing back there. But it just keeps a lot of the major stuff out of here. But go ahead and condition this. You can clean, if you want to condition it. You don't really have to, I don't guess. But clean it off. Just kind of keep the rubber healthy. Keep it healthy. It'll keep you happy. To take these off, really with just 2 screws, and they're not really screws in the traditional sense. As I get my finger here, you turn them about half a turn, if you can see there, and that gets these off. 2 of them. And the same when you tighten them back down. It's not like it's not a screw. You're going to do about half a twist, and they're locked in place over here in these little rubber grommets. So it goes about half a turn in those, and that takes care of that. But the other reason you have these plexiglass covers is, of course, to protect your glass, and it gives it that Darth Vader kind of look, whatever. But it's to protect your glass, because this right here is glass, tempered regular glass or whatever. But over here, of course, is the plastic, the plexiglass, whatever. But look what I found, and this just happened recently. If you can quite focus in on it, but right there is a pretty decent little chip that occurred. Something got into it on the outside. This is all dust. But you can see something got into it on the outside there, and just nailed it right in there. So, plexiglass, one, glass, 0. And of course, we've still got our weather radio antenna aftermarket that we put in there. It's working absolutely fabulously. Go back and check out our YouTube on that, installation on that. Anywhere we go, out of the 15,000 or so miles we put on the Airstream, 17,000 on the truck here since August, we've had probably 3 or 4 places where we could just absolutely not get any kind of weather radio signal. So I'll take that. That's a very safe thing to have. And then, all right, so the stainless steel covers here, these are actually 3 nuts that come out here. 1, 2, and 3 little cap nuts. And they are what are they, 16 millimeter. So 3 little cap nuts. And I got this at Home Depot, by the way. It's just a tiny little set. I'll show it to you real quick, just because I've got my larger sockets and stuff, ratchet, but got this little buddy here at Home Depot, and it's been through better times, but I got that little puppy there, 15 bucks maybe, whatever, Home Depot, and it's really come in handy because it's quick access, little ratchets and screw and all that stuff. All right, so the stainless steel cover. All right, we had a hitch failure in Gillette, Wyoming. Shout out to Gillette people, they're great people. And anyway, the truck was in a gas station, so we're going 2 miles an hour, but the Airstream continued to roll forward and bumped the shield here, which is okay. Not thrilled about it, but it's okay because, and then we got a little dent right here, if you can see it in the contour of the Airstream there. But anyway, had a little dent here. So again, shout out to the stainless steel covers. But what you want to do is take these 3 cap nuts out here, and then that'll expose this, and you can come in, you can clean all the road debris and all that other crap off of this. You know, my main concern with things like this is if you're up north traveling in snow, you're going to get all the salt and the brine and all the other chemicals they put down to prevent the ice from accumulating on the roads. All that's going to make its way up in here and behind your steel cover, and then also behind your plexiglass. You know, everybody kind of takes care of that stuff just because it's easy to get to, but you want to take care of your glass and it'll take care of you. So that's it. Just a real quick video. Yeah, see here, this bunch of other mess that's just made its way into there, and that's just all grime, just road grime. So anyway, that's it. We're gonna go to Epcot tonight, visit a friend, and enjoy the fireworks. So you guys take care. It's Kelly and Kathy, away we go, and away we go 2.0. We will catch you down the road.